Make a great choice today with the 2014 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.